Chloe, pay attention.
What's it?
It's just
What's it?
okay. Chloe, this version is a lot more staticky, but sure. Look at the real life. Look at those ones.
What's one?
All right, back up.
One.
Back up.
What? I'm gonna go, okay?
Okay, bye.
Here,
Close.
Chloe. Make sure she stays.
All right, Chloe, stay where you are, okay? Don't move a muscle. I don't want you running the road. You're little. Hey, why don't you go back towards my sister, okay? Please? She's back that way. And go show her the glitter in your hair. It's funny.
Huh?
You got glitter all over your hair. No,
Huh?
glitter. You're like sparkly. It's okay. It makes your hair look pretty.
What?
Just go back with my sister, okay?
Why?
You can see the fireworks better. Are they done or? That's sad. Oh no, they're not. Ah, that's one way to hurt somebody's eyes.